Hey everyone, welcome to this guide on how to check Discord friend requests. Let's dive right in. Here are the simple steps. If you haven't downloaded the app, you can also use a web browser and log into your account on discord.com, link in the description. Tap on the app icon to open it. Tap on the notification icon located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see all your notifications, including friend requests. Each request is shown with two options, accept and ignore. To add the person to your friends list, tap the accept button. To decline, tap the ignore button. Tap on the requester's profile icon to see more options like sending a message, starting a voice call, or a video call. Now you know how to check Discord friend requests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.